Okay. Today I want to do a very bright look. We're like, I really want to try a sunshine look. What do you guys think? Do you think I can pull it off? You gotta have faith. You gotta believe. You know what I mean? I don't know if I can pull it off, but that's not gonna stop me. I'm gonna try it out on camera and see where it takes me. See what I'm saying? So with this Essentials palette, the Pro Series, we're gonna go with, are we gonna do the terracotta? Let's do that terracotta. It sounds like cheese, right? It is a cheese, am I right? But let's do that terracotta as right around. You know? Right around there. I'm nervous. Are you guys nervous? Let's make like a sunflower look. That's what I'm going for. Definitely sunflower. I like to tap it on just because I feel like it sticks longer and gives it a brighter look. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm crazy. But that's what I like to do. Okay. Alright, so now with a different brush, with more of a smaller but fluffy brush, I used a different brush earlier. Is that bright enough? I think it is. But anyway. People, stop texting me. So I'm just going to put eye base on first because I really want the color underneath to really stick. So I'm going to put the eye base on. I want this color to be super bright. It's going to be like an orange shimmer so we can give it an ombre effect. Alright, so we used that terracotta. Now we're going to use that gold right there. With the Anastasia Beverly Hills Jacquiana brush, I'm going to use the flatter one, not the wider one. Oops. Oop, I definitely went into terracotta, guys. Okay, we're going into gold. Come on, Corinne, come on. Alright, so this one has a bit of a shimmer. That's what I like it, and I want it to be in the middle of it. So I'm going to tap that on. Tap, tap, tappy. Tap, tap, tap. Just going to tap that on there. Okay, so we can go back into that terracotta and just blend that in a little bit so it's not so harsh. Alright guys, now I'm going to use a different brush and go in with that sand color. I want to do that sand color in the corner. Ugh, I keep going into terracotta. What is wrong with me? Okay, sand. I don't want to go too far over. This is just going to be in the corner. Alright guys, so if you can see there, I did go a little over. You can go back and go on top if you want, just to blend it out a little bit more. Okay, so now I'm thinking I'm needing a little bit, maybe something dark. Maybe something dark. People keep texting me. So let's do, so we use terracotta, we use gold, we use sand. What do you guys think? Cinnamon? Do we need a cinnamon mix in there? Oh, there's the cinnamon mix. Let's try it. See what happens. Do it right in that corner. It's just gonna make that terracotta a little darker looking. Okay. Okay. So I'm just gonna put some liner on that. You know what, actually, I want to take take one of my makeup towelettes and just really clean it up right there. Make it a nice sharp line. See that? Nice and sharp. Okay. I think we can use some gold. What do you guys think? I'm thinking we did use gold, but it's a lighter one. I want to do like more of a... I like it. Whatever. Alright, so we're going to do some liner. Okay. Okay, so that was the one I completely finished. I want to, with that same color, what was it, with the terracotta, I just want to come down a little bit and bring it around. Alright guys, let's do the other eye. Okay, so we started out with our terracotta and we just went around the base. This may look a little darker because I did use from the other palette I did use from the same palette cinnamon after, which is a big no-no. Alright. Is it bright enough for you guys? I just want to get it nice and bright. Okay, so then we used our base so that our lid can be nice and bright. Just want to pat that on. I like to use base because it really brings out the pigment of any shadow you use. So now we did gold, right? With the bottom of that brush. Sorry, it's starting to transfer. I'm not being neat. It's transferring a little to the top of the lid, but that's okay. Look how pretty that gold is. Look how bright it is after you put that base on. It's really pretty. Guys, like, I'm really out here practicing this. This is so pretty. Okay, now we're going in with that sand color in the corner. And I'm just going to bring it over a little bit. Maybe 3/4 of the way. Sorry, I'm touching up the other one. Okay. So that right there is good for me. Come around a little bit. It's not that bright, by the way. Usually we'll go in the corners with the brighter one, but it's not that bright, so. Let's blend that before we use that cinnamon. Blend that a little bit. Okay. Now we're doing the cinnamon. We're doing the edges right here, like we did on the other side. I feel like I'm losing it a little bit on the other side, so let me just freshen it up. Okay. Alright. So do we have identical eyelids, would you say? The sunset? I would like to call it the sunset. It's pretty. Okay. Now, again with that towelette, and we're just going to clear it up. There we go. Sharpen it out. Is it just me, or is that sand not giving me what I want on this eye? I hate when I'm out of the frame. I wish my camera could like alert me when I move out of the frame. Sorry about that. Okay. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do the rest of my face. And we're gonna see how this really looks. Oh wait, let's put some mascara on. Okay guys, I'm going to do a little something different, and I'm going to apply with a sponge today. I'm really testing the waters. So we're going to use my beauty blender from Sephora. I just want to see the difference in how it goes. You know, like if it really covers my pores or not. I don't really see much of a difference in the application. Do you guys see a difference? I really don't. I don't see much of a difference. Maybe, actually, a little, a teeny weeny. Okay, so that was me applying foundation with a sponge. Now we're gonna do some highlight. I'm sorry, some concealer. We're gonna highlight the areas. Okay, so anyway, I can't figure out the lip. I'll figure it out later. But right now, oh, we didn't even do highlight. Of course, we're gonna do trophy wipe. Gosh, we did no highlight. Come on, Corinne, don't do that. Trophy wipe, duh. Definitely with this look. Yeah. I don't have enough one here. Uh-oh. It's okay. Looks a little messed up on that side. That's okay though. Alright. We're going to put a little underneath the brows.